Support court is now in session. Judge Vonda B. takes the bench. The room quiets. Case number JVB 1069, the Shoemaker case. 2 parents, 2 children, 1 dispute over money. The tension is already in the air as both parties take their seats.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Shoemaker, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I want to increase child support.
That's it?
Yes, ma'am. That's all I'm bringing them to court for. I need more funds.
Sack chaser.
Based on what, excuse me, sir, please don't, what was that you just said anyway?
Sack chaser.
Sack chaser, what is that exactly?
Miss Shoemaker wastes no time. She wants an increase in child support. Her voice is steady, but firm. I need more funds, she says. The father interrupts under his breath, calling her a sack chaser. The judge immediately shuts it down. In this courtroom, disrespect doesn't fly. This isn't about pride. It's about the children.
Chasing the sack. She worried about my money.
Okay, I think that's the purpose of coming to court for an increase.
I'll take care of the kids anyway, but
Okay, Ms. Shoemaker, what is the basis of your request for an increase in child support?
One, we work for the same school together, but I'm a janitor and I make the bare minimum of like $9.50.
Okay.
I take care of the kids. We both take care of the kids. We got 255. But we have other activities like our daughter is in gymnastics.
Okay.
She's in cheer.
How old is she?
She's 6.
Okay.
The mother lays out the numbers. She works as a janitor at the same school. $9.50 an hour. Barely scraping by. 2 children, ages 6 and 3. Gymnastics. Cheer. Private school tuition. Nearly $2,000 a month combined. And she says she's paying almost all of it. The weight of those expenses hangs heavy in the courtroom.
And they also in private school.
Okay. Who pays for the extracurricular activities?
I do.
Okay. How much is that?
We're running about $350 a month for both children.
Okay. And how old is the other child?
He's 3.
Okay. 3 and 6. How much is private school?
Between the both of them, one's $1,200, and then the other one is $450.
Okay. And you pay for the tuition as well?
I do.
All right. Is he helping you at all?
He pays the bare minimum. I try to handle this outside of court, but I don't know what's his issue. He pays the bare minimum of child support, so I just want to increase. So if he's just going to be paying the bare minimum, the minimum at least needs to be half.
Okay. And what is it that he's currently paying?
About $500.
$500.
The father pushes back. He says $500 a month isn't bare minimum. He adds health insurance and tries to make it sound generous. But when asked directly if he helps with tuition or extracurriculars, he circles the question. He pays what the court ordered. Nothing more. The judge listens carefully. Precision matters here.
All right. What about health insurance on these kids? Who carries that?
We both do.
Okay. All right. How much is yours?
$300.
$300. All right. Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to him?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Sir?
First of all, Your Majesty,
Your Majesty, I like that.
$500 is not a bare minimum. And then I pay insurance on top of that. You add that to $800.
Right, so the kids are double insured. That's good. All right. So what about this tuition and these extracurricular activities?
She's 6 years old. She can't barely do no flipping.
Excuse me?
What does that mean?
She ain't doing no flipping. She ain't learning no gymnastics like that good. She better learn how to do cartwheels right now.
Oh, you're talking about your daughter.
Then comes the dismissal. He questions gymnastics. Says his 6-year-old can't barely do no flipping. Suggests his cousin could teach backflips at home. The judge leans in. Is the cousin licensed? No. Has he taught them? No. The courtroom feels the shift. Excuses don't replace responsibility.
Yeah, as a 3-year-old, he ain't. Oh no, he ain't. He ain't even in private school. How he in private school? He 3.
It's
They
called
have
early
private
preschool.
Yeah, they have that
man.
for 3-year-olds. So because you're saying all of that, that lets me know you're not paying for it, right?
I paid what the courts told me to pay.
So the answer to my question is no then. You're not paying for the extracurricular activities or the private tuition. Is that correct?
Or going half.
The child support says I just do what they told me to do, and I give the $500 a month. That ain't bare minimum. That's almost a car note or a 1 or 2 bedroom
One
apartment.
thing.
You don't
In the
believe
90s.
that the private school tuition is important?
No, she go to public school. I went to public school. I'm just fine.
Okay, so you all are doing a 2255 schedule, right? Is that correct? Okay. In your court order, was that the original agreement?
No,
Okay.
I just moved closer so I be around them more.
Well, that's good. That's good. And with you moving closer, then you'd agree with me that you should also help.
The judge breaks it down simply. If children are in structured activities, instructors must be paid. If they attend private school, tuition must be covered. Logic is stacking up. The father begins to realize the argument is slipping. Then he drops a bomb. He recently got engaged. And suddenly, motive enters the room.
Support them financially if their expenses have increased, right?
The only you could say
Well, what does that mean?
Speak,
you
please.
could say that, but now some of the things they don't need to do.
Like what?
I could teach you how to flip at the house.
But you don't.
I got
But he
cousins
don't.
that
Okay,
do backflips.
do-
I can teach you how to flip at the house.
But he don't.
Sir, are you a gymnastics instructor?
No, but my cousin, he know how to do backflips, and he walk on his hands.
Your cousin?
Yeah, he 40 years old. He walk on his hands. He can teach them all that. We don't need all that.
Okay, has he taught him that yet?
He ain't been around yet.
All right, and
I
he's
gotta
not
wait
a
for him to get out of
licensed
jail.
instructor, right?
No.
Okay, so then it would logically follow that the child would need to be taught by someone who's licensed. You'd agree?
Yeah.
And that person needs to be paid.
You would agree?
Boy, y'all stacking the deck on me. But the only
Who's
reason,
stacking the deck
but
on
the only
you?
reason why she mad because I'm getting engaged.
Your Honor,
Oh,
no.
That's the only
I'm
reason
not
why-
worried about
so
none of
now
that.
it's coming out.
Yeah.
I asked you, was there
No,
anything else you
I'm
wanted to
not
tell me
concerned
before I
about none
moved
of
over
that.
to him? Why don't you tell me he got engaged?
I'm
why
not
don't
bitter
you tell
about
me?
none of
How
that.
long ago did you get engaged, sir?
About 3 months ago.
And how I'm feeling
And you
about it,
filed
they
this
both
about
money.
3 months ago.
The timing is suspicious. The case was filed 3 months ago. The engagement happened 3 months ago. The judge presses the mother. Did she know? There's tension. Hurt feelings surface. Words like community staying in open court. But the judge redirects the focus. Engagements don't pay tuition. Facts do.
Let's talk about that.
Yeah, let's talk.
Let's talk about
Judge.
the engagement. So he did get engaged.
I mean, I don't know what his status is. I don't keep
Well,
up with
you-
all that.
It's such a coincidence that you filed this 3 months ago and he said he got engaged 3 months ago. So you knew about the engagement, right?
I did not. I did, but not 3 months ago.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Who is the lady?
We all work together.
Oh, it's somebody you know. Ooh, so you hurt her feelings.
No, I didn't hurt her feelings. She just couldn't,
Ma'am,
hey.
he's community. You know what the rest is. He's for
Community?
He's for everybody.
Oh,
So
I
he
was
that-
for the
we
streets,
ain't
but
the
I'm not
only
no
two
more.
people. Judge, we not the only two people he ain't slept with.
I was for the
So
streets.
I'm not
no more.
concerned about any of that. I need my money, and if possibly hers.
Your
too.
money?
Yeah, I need my money.
Wait a minute, you said hers too?
Yeah.
I told you,
Yeah.
she said
Engagement, marriage, whatever they gonna do, arrangement.
The mother makes it clear. She wants her money. Even jokes about the fiancé's money. The judge quickly clarifies, a new spouse's income is irrelevant here. What matters is fairness. 2 parents. Shared responsibility. Rising costs.
Can't get her money for child support?
When they get married, I can.
Oh, okay. Well, see, that has nothing to do with me right now. So, sir, I think it's only fair that you all should split the expenses for the private school tuition as well as the extracurricular activities, okay?
I definitely
do believe
appreciate
that
you.
warrants an increase. Now, your court order everything has changed, right? You said you moved, you were doing a different schedule, you moved to get closer to your kids, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a change.
Thank you.
And these children are involved in curricular activities. They're also going to a private school. You'd agree with me that that's kind of expensive, right? That's about $2,000 a
The math is undeniable. Roughly $2,000 a month in education and activities. He pays $500. She fronts the remaining $1,500. The father suggests homeschooling. The judge challenges him. Will you stay home and teach? Silence. Hypotheticals don't educate children. Action does.
month. You're only paying $500, so she's fronting the other 15.
But we work for the school. We could really homeschool them because everything they learn about.
Are you gonna be at the house homeschooling them with Mr. IT?
That's a good question.
'Cause I'm a
I know a
janitor.
lot of teachers that wouldn't want to be at home homeschooling their children and working as a teacher.
I mean, if he willing to pay, why sit at the house and homeschool our children? I'm down.
I got another cousin that was real smart in school. And she
You know, you have a lot of family members that do a lot of things and they have nothing to do with this case. So let me just go ahead and make this very simple. How many children? You all have 2 children.
We have 2 children.
Do you have any other children?
Yeah.
Any other children outside of the 2?
I got one more.
One more? Okay. Why did you say it like that?
Then another reveal. He has another child on the way. Another obligation coming soon. The judge stays focused. Today is about the 2 children before her. Circumstances have changed. New schedule, closer residence, increased expenses. That qualifies for modification.
I'll be on child support for that one too.
Oh, so you're coming back to see me?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll handle that when we get to that particular case. For today, what I'm going to do is go ahead and split the costs that she's paying. So
Thank you.
it's $2,000. Y'all are going to split it evenly. $1,000 for you, $1,000 for you. So your child support increased by $500 and you are both ordered to maintain that same health insurance.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Did you all have any other questions?
Nah.
I see you had your pen and paper over there. You were.
I did, just in case he had an issue or what's going on. I was just gonna name a few things that my kids are involved in.
Oh, you
that
brought
he's
your
not.
receipts.
That's right. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay, got it.
That he's
got it.
not paying for, correct?
Oh, okay, okay.
Nah, but what about when I asked you to babysit because you was going out?
The ruling is swift. The $2,000 in expenses will be split evenly. His child support increases by $500. Both parents maintain health insurance. Clear. Direct. Balanced. The mother quietly thanks the judge. The father attempts one last side argument about babysitting fees. The judge holds firm. The ruling stands.
And I want $25.
Wait a minute,
babysit.
babysit
mean,
who? Your
babysit
other
who?
child or the children that you all had together?
The ones we got together.
She can't babysit her
No,
own
I'm
kids.
asking to babysit out so she can go out. I'll babysit while she can go out.
But do I call you for that, or do I set that up with
No,
a
I
sitter?
was trying to give you the time to yourself. We can knock a couple
I've
dollars
already
off the-
made my ruling, so
Oh,
you know
man.
yeah, okay.
Thank
I
you,
can
Judge.
sit here and listen to you.
I appreciate you.
Okay. Did you all have any other questions?
No, man.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
I'm
Well, if there's
satisfied.
nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi guys, it's me, Judge Vonda B. I wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the shoemaker case. So this was a modification case. Dad was paying $500 in child support. Mom was seeking an increase due to the increased expenses of the children being extracurricular activities as well as private school.
After dismissal, Judge Vonda B. addresses viewers directly. She explains the heart of the matter. Spite does not determine child support. Engagements do not change financial duty. Increased expenses, when proven and undisputed, justify modification. In the end, this case wasn't about pride. It was about partnership. And from the bench, the message is clear. When children's needs grow, so must a parent's responsibility.